What's up, gang? Sean Down Plus back here with another video. This is an unboxing of my brand new digital camera.
Project Bluebeam.
This is the first camera I've ever purchased, ever. So I've never had any camera. I knew I needed this camera because I have a phone. This is my first camera. This won't be my last camera because I know I watched a review on this. This is a digital camera. The guy really didn't like the camera. He was talking bad on it, and he was like, "You might as well get another camera." But I was like, "It's kind of in my budget, and why not?" So I know I'm gonna upgrade soon, but just to start something off, you know, like I'm saying, I'm starting from the bottom. This is a 2.7K Ultra HD digital camera. I'm gonna unbox this, show y'all what's in the box, and then I'm gonna switch it around so I can have my phone and then you'll see the camera. It says classic appearance design with a retractable flashlight, and it has a rotatable 3-inch HD TFT screen. Oh yeah, this was from Amazon, so if you guys are interested in getting a camera within your budget, this costs about $90. Just to get something started off, you could check out the link in the bio. Also, you could, you know, if you want to buy your first camera, just go on the link in the bio, you know, go shop. Okay, so register now, receive. I got a 1-year free warranty and a $15 USD Amazon gift card.
Nice.
If I register here, that's nice. So if I get a $15 Amazon gift card, memory card, charger cable, the strap. It's the strap. Oh, they gave me a box. It's tough. These are the batteries. Also, I'm gonna drop a video in a couple days showing my family. I'm ready to go see them after this. And here is the camera. This is nice. For my first camera, I like it. It's in the budget, you know. Upgrade coming soon, but just something to start me off, get me locked in for a little bit. And it flips up. Boom. It flips up. So this is the digital camera, 2.7K, unboxed here live. Let's turn it on. Whoa, it's the flash. Boom, that's the flash. You feel me? Boy, if you don't... I gotta read up on the manual. It's not over. I'm ready to flip it around, so let me study up on this and get it right. What's up, guys? Sean Down back. Now I have the camera set up. Now I have my setup. I have my camera, I have my cell phone, I have my laptop, I have a mic, I have speakers. So now it's time to get to it. So yeah, guys, that was the digital camera, 2.7 Ultra HD camera, unboxed and installed. I give it a 6. No. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure you check out the links in the description. Also, make sure you guys follow my social medias in the description. My Snapchat's down there, my Facebook's down there, my other YouTube's down there with my music, and also my music's down there. Also, my Instagrams are down there if you want to give me a follow. And my Twitter's down there if you want to give me a follow on Twitter. Also tweet me. Yeah, because I'm not shy. I don't bite. Yeah, that's it.
Project Bluebeam.